What is the most important technique in all of stand-up comedy? What is the quickest way of getting laughs at the beginning of our set? And what type of material paints the most vivid picture of how you see the world? All of this is answered with the explanation of one technique, and that is observational comedy. Observational comedy is the ability to express our thoughts on a situation in a unique, funny and captivating way. As an observational comedian, your main task is to keenly observe the world around you. Pay attention to the quirks, absurdities and ironies of everyday life. Your main goal is to find those relatable moments that make everybody laugh. Relatability brings laughter. One of the strengths of observational comedy is to connect with the audience on a personal level. Your observations should tap into shared experiences and universal truths. The more relatable, the stronger the laughs. One of the best ways to sharpen your observational skills is to write your comedy in a public setting. Pay attention to the detail around you, the people, the conversations, all of the landscape, what kind of a building you were in. Write every single point of detail down on a page and then look back at it and see where you can exaggerate and where you can put in a joke and a punchline. Embrace how absurd you can make normal situations become. Ordinary situations often hide absurdities beneath them. It's your job as an observational comedian to uncover these jokes. It's the delicate balance between observation and reality that will keep your audience interested and laughing. Here's how to use observational comedy to win over the audience at the very beginning of the set. When you turn up to the venue, jot down a few points of interest that you notice about the room, about the staff working in the venue, about everything that you experience when you arrive at the venue. Because everything you experience is also everything that everybody else has experienced. So if you walk up on stage and say something funny about something in the room that people might not have noticed, you're going to be winning from the very beginning. And the more you write observational material in public, the quicker and sharper your observational skills are going to become. Do not be afraid to take from personal experiences. While your observational comedy can come from anywhere, drawing from your own experiences can add a uniqueness and authenticity to your comedy. You can share relatable anecdotes to allow the audience to glimpse into the way you see the world. Of course, practice is key. Write in as many different public settings as you can and perform in as many different stages as you can. Study great comedians. Find out when they're talking about what they've witnessed on their day-to-day situation and see how they make light of it. See how they exaggerate little small points to get more laughs from the audience. Study the pattern of how they tell their stories and put them into your own comedy writing. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed it and got value from it. I will see you on the next one.